drenched and soiled in the monsoon rain, shivers running in like a sweet, sweet pain, fragrance all around of tempting petrichor, entering your dark house, unlocking the door, drying my wet curls as you smile impishly, not waiting for water to drip and dry completely, pulling my chin up to meet our eyes in a stare, undressing ourselves, leaving our bodies bare, kissing and cuddling cozily under the covers, warming up each other like passionate lovers. What begins as a trance, only one can ever dream, a moment we could claim to be the most supreme.